I know you want to make money in crypto because let's be real, we buy crypto just to sell it at a higher price and to make money. So today I will be talking about short-term plays that could make you a millionaire this year. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Bitcoin dropped from 63K to 60K. We saw almost all the altcoins followed BTC drop, and today markets are green. Bitcoin is back on that 61 level. And are we going to see another drop this week, or are we going to recover and test the new crypto market's all-time highs? Well, talking about this week, Bitcoin still can test those support levels, and we could even test that 56K support, but it's really, really hard to reach that support level because crypto is coming back. We saw a correction, and I'm pretty sure it will pull back to 67K because I'm being optimistic here, and BTC is recovering right now, and you don't need to panic that much because the fear and greed index shows me that people are scared right now. They are in a funny position where they are scared to buy the dip, but this is the moment where you need to be aggressive. And when the fear and greed index shows that people are in fear, that means that is a good buying opportunity for you. So you need to understand that these moments in crypto market is a nice buying opportunity. We will still going to see few more corrections in the cycle before the parabolic movement in crypto markets, and you need to understand that on those red days people are scared because they are losing 20%, maybe 40% of investments. And it's normal, because if you see minus 40% of your crypto portfolio going down, everything is red. Of course, it scares people. It's playing with their mindset. It's playing the psychological place. And fear is where you need to understand that you are a warrior. You are buying the dips. And this is where the most money are made in the cycle. So when we see corrections, you need to understand that buying at these levels are really, really cheap and a good opportunity to make your bags even bigger. And yeah, just buy more, and the markets just will move on before you understand it. Because people are like a lot of people that in fear right now, they're missing today's gains. Because look, Bread 25%. We got Fetch AI 43%. And we were talking with my friend yesterday that Fed like moving like really, really crazy because 18% yesterday, few days ago 20%, and now 43%. And this AI stuff is here to stay, and I think it's going to be a nice movement. AGX is 41%. So imagine yesterday you had a fear, you saw a lot of red in your portfolio, and now everything is changing because we want to understand that Bitcoin dominance is going down right now, right? That means that altcoins are increasing more in the weekly side. We are still in Bitcoin season, and to understand the altcoin season index shows us where we are. And I was talking before in my videos that we are going to test those 18 points levels here, and we went even to 15. And the summer cycle will be probably boring, and we will still going to like to 50 points or something level. And at the summer end, we're gonna start seeing the altcoin season. And why I'm talking about altcoin season, because you need to be prepared on those infinite gains. What we going to see, we are probably going to see like 300% per day in one coin. And of course, I'm talking about normal coins. Meme coins can do like 10k percent per day, and you will never know if you're not insider. So just to be prepared for altcoin season, where we are talking about nice coins with probably bigger value than meme coins. Of course, I will be talking about some of the risk plays, but first I want to talk about Ethereum. Like Ether moved pretty drastically. We saw red candles yesterday, and of course, when we are looking to Ether, it's just bullish for me. Like the movement is so bullish, you just don't understand, because someone is always buying the dips when it goes down. And it's really nice to see that people are seeing those opportunities when people are scared. This is the big red candle of fear. And if you're buying the dip, you already making more money than those people who are selling, here, because you're just getting better price. And these who sold, they probably gonna buy back again on 30, 3,500. And I'm just saying this because Ethereum is still my number one conviction token, number one of altcoins that will be really nice investment. And yeah, the next one is Solana is moving pretty beautiful. When Solana went back to 120 level, I was thinking that is probably the bottom where Solana will go in this cycle. And this is the nice opportunity to buy your Solana back, because Solana is attracting more and more people, and it will get more attention than before. And yeah, this Solana, you don't want to miss Solana, because this is a nice entry level. And we gonna see in this altcoin season how Solana will perform, and I'm pretty sure it will go like really parabolic, so you don't want to miss it. The next one is Bread is so amazing. This chart looks really cool. The correction was pretty small, but it still went, down. And if you catch at these levels, the other way is just up. I'm pretty sure with bread, we're gonna see in a few weeks at 30 cents or something like that, because Brett is different meme coin. I think Brett will get a lot of attention when Coinbase will realize that how Brett is not on Coinbase when Brett is like base blockchain meme coin. So when Coinbase realize it, then we gonna see a really massive increase in Brett price, in market cap. And I'm pretty sure in these altcoin season levels, we're gonna see Brett at least at 40 billion market cap, probably even more. But I think 40 billion would be like pretty good exit level for you, for example. And the other coin I want to talk is Illuvial, because Illuvium is a gaming token, and it's pretty much down right now. So yeah, maybe it's forming, a bigger downtrend, but we're still going to test maybe $36 a level. But the thing is, with Illuvium, this is going to move like crazy up. I'm pretty sure we're gonna test $200 levels, maybe even higher. So I'm not sure how high we're gonna get, but the thing is that people were waiting for Illuvium beta for like 3 years, and now it's finally opened and people are happy, they're like playing, testing the game, they're like sharing a lot of good experience. And I've tested the game myself, and I see the big potential in this Illuvium game, because the game is made for those explorers, and you catch like illuvials, like Pokemons, and you collect them. So this is basically like NFT collection. Plus, if you're a competitive player, so this game has a competitive ranked system that like attract more players that are competitive. Because if if game doesn't have those competitive things, then they will probably won't get that big attention. But when the game is a competitive, player versus player, then the game will show us a big success. So I'm pretty sure that Illuvial will gonna be a nice buy, especially at the game launch month, or first few weeks at least, because people will be grinding this game. They will be spending their tokens to buy illuvials, to buy those NFTs and stuff like that. And this will increase the market cap, because you will need to have some illuvial token to get those NFTs. Of course, you can buy on with Ether, you can buy with dollars and stuff like that. But this token will show us a nice success, I'm pretty sure, because the game is already a success in beta, and I'm really enjoying it. I haven't played that much, but if you want to grind the airdrop, because the Louisville team will be airdropping for the game testers, so you need to catch those illuvials, for example. And if you will catch hollows, like illuvials with hollows, so they are like different skin illuvials. So basically, holos will pay you the most amount of money from the airdrop. So holos and dark holos are the rarest ones, and you need to just go and grind it. And I'm pretty sure it will be one of the biggest airdrops we gonna see in the gaming industry, at least in this cycle. So don't miss it. Try it. You can pretty make a lot of money with that. And yeah, for full disclosure, I do own crypto I am talking about, and I'm maybe planning on investing even more, or investing in it. So, full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Crypto market is risky investment. This is like, like probably like 99% of people who in plays this crypto market game loses their money. So be careful, do your own research before investing in anything. And yeah, let's continue. So when I said about those dips, those correction dips, guess who bought the dip? If you want to try, you can leave a comment, pause the video, leave a comment, and try to guess who bought the dip. And then I will continue. Yeah, so the answer is BlackRock. BlackRock bought the dip, and now we are seeing 18 billion market cap on BlackRock's ETF. This is pretty big, and it's climbing even more. And I'm pretty sure we won't even understand how fast will BlackRock's ETF will grow, because they are buying on the dips. They are playing smart game, and you need to understand that if institutional money is coming to crypto, you need to be prepared, because they are playing a really smart game. They're buying on the dips, and you need to do the same. You need to understand that corrections are the tools to make millionaires in the market, and you need to buy those dips, guys. Just believe in me. On corrections, you are just increasing your bag, and that's it. You hold and you make money. So be prepared, because institutional money is coming. We are seeing 30 billion right now on grayscale, but like 36 billion is nothing compared to institutional money. And this is just a beginning of something big. So you need to understand that institutional money is coming, and we're gonna see a massive increase in crypto assets and everything. So be prepared, be ready for this, and stack even more crypto. Be the winner, be the winner. And why I'm saying be the winner, because liquidation game is really really sad in this market. And yesterday we saw a lot of people got liquidated because they're like playing 100x leverage, 50x leverages. They're like playing a big baller game when you are risking more than you can afford. And when you have an open position with 100x leverage and it goes down pretty crazy, like we saw last week, then of course you're getting those margin calls. And when you don't have any more money to add to that position, to survive that position, that means you're losing everything, right? And I don't want you to lose this money for free, because this game is risky. The volatility in crypto markets are pretty high. So we go down, we go high, it's roller coaster. And yeah, be prepared to lose money if you're like 100x. You don't need to risk that much. I've used to do that, and I've lost a lot of money with 100x leverage before. And this was a mistake for me, because when you lose a big open positions with 100x leverage, 50x leverage, then it's harder to recover. So if you have those 100x leverages and you're not 100% sure if the market goes your way, then I don't think so. You should open those positions. You don't need to be those big ballers. I mean, people are getting rich by risking more than they can afford, of course, but you need to be 100% sure, and you need to have that risk management. If you're opening those positions, you need to put stop losses where you can afford the loss, when you where you can afford to lose that amount of money. Because if you cannot afford, and some of the exchanges could give you that leverage that you lose even more than you have in your account, then this is like a problem. And I don't want you to have a problem. So be smart with your leverages. Learn from other people, because when people are losing here, look, a lot of people are losing on these levels, right? And yeah, it's just millions, nothing more. But come on, guys, if you're not willing to lose, just open spot positions. That's it. You don't need leverage if you're not 100% sure if this is the play in short term. In long term, of course, everyone can understand that like crypto will go up, or for example, or something like that. But we will get few more corrections, I'm pretty sure, and it can be 40 even percent down. And yeah, I don't want you to risk it, just to be safe. Play safe. 20x leverage still good. 10x leverage, of course, and 100x is really really for those who can afford it. Don't do that if you're like a new investor. you know you need to understand this trading trend. So Look at the market today. We're seeing crazy, crazy green bubbles. And yeah, for that, I want to say happy investing, happy day, because we're having finally a green day and I'm pretty happy. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow, like, share, and see you in the next video. Peace.